In this video, I will guide you on how to hide followers on TikTok. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now to hide your followers list from public on TikTok, you must change your profile settings to private account. Unlike the following list, which has a dedicated button to hide it on public profiles, the only way to block strangers from viewing your followers list is to restrict your entire profile. To do that, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on Settings and Privacy. Now find the option of Privacy, select that. Here toggle on the option of Private Account. Now this is going to hide your followers from strangers. People who already follow you will still be able to tap on your profile and see your followers list. If you want to hide your list from a specific current follower, you must remove them by going into your follower list. So head over to the follower list, then go ahead and tap on these three dots. Now tap on Remove this follower option, then tap on Remove. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.